How to delete or remove a resume on Indeed. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Launch any of your preferred web application and at the top search bar, type in Indeed.com. Make sure that you are logged into your Indeed account, then you will see a page like this. In order to delete or remove your resume, click on this person icon. Once done, you will see profile option at the first menu. Click onto it. Scroll below and under resume, you will see the draft or PDF or the Word file that you added. In order to remove this, click on the three-dot icon and click on delete. Once done, confirm the deletion. Your resume has been successfully deleted. Now you can go ahead and upload a new resume for your Indeed account. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below. We will catch you up in our